And now let's proceed to the lesson 7. Again, this is useful expressions, a dialogue on how to welcome a visitor. So, in Cebuano, if you say ali sulod in English, welcome. So, ali sulod, welcome. So, in Cebuano, if we say naay tao diha, is there anyone home? So, the word tao there in English is anyone. So, naay tao diha. So, is there anyone home? Traffic man good kaayo, oy. The traffic is so heavy. So, the word oy here in Cebuano is, as what I've told a while ago, that the word oy here is one of the most common expressions that the Visayan and Cebuano usually use. So, oy, like, siya man good oy. So, oy is always present to make the sentence exaggerated. So, oy. So, if we say, traffic man good kaayo, oy, the traffic is so heavy. Ikalipay na ako nga mailhan ka. I'm pleased to meet you. So, if we say in Cebuano, ikalipay na ako nga mailhan ka, I'm pleased to meet you. So, mailhan here in English is meet. IDI in Cebuano in English, by the way. So, if we say IDI in English, that is by the way. Tinuod na, that's true. In Cebuano, if we say tinuod na, in English, that's true. Ay, ayaw na lang. In English, oh, please don't bother. So, if we say in Cebuano, ay na lang. In English, oh, please don't bother. Maulaw mo punta sa imo. In English, it's embarrassing to bother you. So, in Cebuano, if you say, maulaw mo punta sa imo. In English, it's embarrassing to bother you. In Cebuano, naunsa man ka. In English, what's the matter with you? So, if we say, naunsa man ka, in Cebuano, in English, that is, what's the matter with you? Una-una, ang good nga, naa ka sa inyong balay. In English, make yourself at home. So, in Cebuano, una-unaan lang good nga naa ka sa inyong balay. In English, make yourself at home. Don't you know that the Cagayan de Oro City is the city of golden friendship, as it's sometimes called is home to especially friendly and warm Filipinos. Their ready smiles are fitting welcome.